Hi, welcome back to Infinity Coders. Today in this video, let's look into the Android Studio Cloud. So in my previous Android Studio Cloud, where I actually showed how to perform the full steps and everything, I had a lot of comments saying that now Android Studio Cloud is not accessible. This one is just a short video to see what is why Android Studio and what error people are actually seeing. So here, let's look at some overview. So I open up my Firebase Studio. So here, actually, I've set it up, my Android Studio Cloud. So if I click on it, now you can see there's actually an error saying that the workspace can't be opened. And that is currently disabled. The reason is why is because if we actually go into the Android Studio main page, we can actually see that the Android Studio Cloud initially was an experimental. So here's a like very clear definition is an experimental phase. So it may change in the future. So after a few months now, Android decided what are we supposed to do is if anyone's still interested to use Android Studio Cloud. So let's say I go into my new workspace and I still choose to use Android Studio, for example, development. So you'll be prompted with this new, what you call, Firebase Studio join waitlist for Android Studio. So here, definitely you can fill out the details that is required here, whether you're an Android developer, how many users your app is using, what's your app ID, things like that. So once you have filled out all the required details here and then you submit, then you actually be put under the join wait list. So if it's approved, then you should be able to access once it's available back again. So till then, we should still be using the general Android Studio that we are installing in our PC or MacBook or whichever desktop you're actually using Android Studio. So we should use that particular way. So Android Studio Cloud currently is not really available and you do have to apply for the waitlist. So I hope this video addressed the concern where my previous video, why is it was working. While I was recording, everything was working and I was able to access and then do the coding. But unfortunately, after I uploaded 1 or 2 days, it's actually Android Studio Cloud had to really do a join wait list. So I hope this clarified things and yeah, do watch for the next video for our upcoming content. Thank you very much.